I went through a lot of tools to find one single tool that will actually help you to build a business and make some money. And I'm going to use right now in this video to build a live business. And I'm going to give you every framework step by step. And I'm going to explain why I'm using and implementing this framework so that you can use this and implement not just to this business, rather to any business that you like. This is how you build a business in the AI world fast. First problem is what to sell. What happens is people find their own idea and fall in love with it before trying to figure out if there is anyone who will be buying this thing or not. So you have to always start with the demand first. And to find out the demand, there is actually two ways. First is you trust your gut, you love your idea, you take a hunch and jump in the market. And second is data. There are different tools available in the market to research these things and analyze the pattern, but we have Claude and Fable 5 model by which it can actually access the internet and give the exact result that we're looking for. So I'm going to give this prompt so that it can go to the internet and find digital products which actually people are looking for. And look at this 10 ideas we have got in 2 minutes. But 10 idea is a trap. You have to filter. Now, how to filter your idea? On the basis of 3 things you self-filter. First one, can you build it in one day? Second, can you sell it in one day? Meaning demand is there. Third, will someone pay for it even in a bad month? Which is, it should be kind of necessary element. And after giving this filter, the result that is winning is freelance income plus tax set aside tracker. Now let me explain the product itself. Now if you know the market, there are a lot of freelancers working on different projects. They don't get paid on a monthly basis, rather they get paid in project basis. So this is very hard for them how much they're going to keep aside for the tax purpose at the end of the year. Most of the people out there, I'm sure, might have never thought this kind of problem exists in the market. That's the benefit of using a tool like Claude. Now, next step is who is buying it. We have to set a customer profile. What does this mean? So if you go to freelancer, there are a lot of freelancers. Freelancers who have recently joined in the market and freelancers who has worked for 10 years or so. Freelancers who just work in India and freelancers who work in abroad for the US client. We have to specifically target which audience we are looking for, because the more specific, you're going to make more money. So I'll ask Claude to build a customer profile to whom I can show this ad and they will think like, this is very necessary for me. This is built for me and I'm going to buy. Build me one specific customer profile, their situation, what they have already tried, the exact words they use when they complain about the problem, and what would make them pay 500 to 1000 rupees today. While giving this prompt, I'm going to tell Claude that search what that problem is, what that pain point, what exact words they're typing on the internet to express their problem, so that we can target exactly same kind of person who is looking for or someone who is facing this exact same problem, and we can target them. Now it's time to build the product. I'm going to give all the prompts to you also, but when you build a product, it might not be 10 out of 10 on the first attempt. So you have to keep iterating multiple times. You see the problems. You have to go a little back and forth multiple times. But after some time, I'm sure you're going to get this. And here is the product. Look at this. It's genuinely good. If we would have made by ourselves, it would have taken a lot of time. But here it is. Clean, sophisticated product that is ready to launch. Next thing is the landing page. The page that people will actually see and get convinced to buy this product. Now, if you see, Claude is not just chit chat anymore. It's actually building things. It just build a product. It's going to build a landing page. And this is the exact prompt that you're going to give. Build a complete single file landing page for this product, for this customer profile. Use the exact language from our research, headline, sub-headline, and buy button visible without scrolling. Make it feel premium, not AI generated. Now, while building a landing page, 3 things you have to consider. First is above the fold, heading, subheading, buy button, everything should be visible before scrolling itself. If people has to scroll to find things, they might skip it. The second is loud bar test. If I cannot tell the headline of my landing page in a loud bar, that headline is not perfect. So we have to redesign or rewrite it. People don't believe me or you. People believe other people. So adding few reviews would be nice. Now, this is the final product that is looking like this, and we're going to deploy it. Look at this. Now we have a real link people can actually click and buy. And when you make that first money, that feeling never gets old.
It's true.
Now, if you want to use logo and branding, you can use Canva or so simple tool to use this for free. Now, the trickiest part, how we're going to get the client. First thing is, if you have a budget, you can spend on meta ads and you can push this, keeping this audience target, and you might get a sale. Or over the internet, there are people who are looking for this kind of product. How are you going to find it? We are going to go Reddit and post this. There are different websites for digital products like Gumroad or so. You can list these products on their websites, and if someone is buying, you're going to get a commission out of it. And once you start getting sold, next step is to scale it.